Okay, so guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the assignment. This is our front view. Then this is our side view, and this is our plan. Sorry, let me rotate it so it looks like a plan. Right. So let's start. Control N, or you come here to File and New. Control N is the shortcut key. Then Standard IPT then Create. Opens a new interface. Then Sketch, Create. So now from the diagram of the assignment given, you can see that the plan is on the left hand side at the top, right? So we click on this place. This is the XZ plane, exactly. So we click on XZ plane, then look at this angle. We have the top bent, so we want to rotate the top to make sure, yes, we are seeing top written the normal way. So this is where we'll be drawing. This is where we'll be drawing this is the plane where we'll be drawing everything we want to draw. So let's start by drawing a rectangle to just drawing a rectangle. Drag, you left click, drag, then left click. Choose your dimension, left click on dimension, and constraint and dimension. So we touch here to here, which is 110. Touch, then edit, which is 110, 110. Enter. Sorry, it has gone out of scale, but I have to zoom in. So we do that again. Shortcut for the constraint dimension is D. So year to year, which is 60 from our plan. If you check it out, you can confirm to though. So you correct this on your keyboard to make things faster. 60. So as you can see in the plan, we have like a line here, in which inside here is the circle. You can see the circle from the plan here. Then we have like an hen, a written hen in this place. So let's draw it out. Create line. Sorry, create line. Short key for that is L. But you left click on one wall, then drag it to the other wall and stop. Then we have the down part of our end. Like this is the upper part of the circle. So for the down part of our hand, we draw any line. Don't worry, just draw. We'll be using dimension to make things right, and we'll be trimming out whatever is not needed. So we are done drawing. So now we have to measure. We'll come back to constraint dimension. Shortcut is D. You need to learn the shortcut so you get faster. So we click here to here, which is 25. 25, enter. I think we are looking good. So 60 minus 25 is 35. We don't need to measure. We are 100% sure. So this is the next one we need to do from year to year, which is 35. 35, enter. Nice. Then year to year is 60. Is 35 also. Sorry. 35, enter. Then I'm sure this is 40. We don't need to measure, but let's just confirm it. Can you see 40? So we are good to go. So remember that the hen is not looking like an hen now. You remember it's like this, but this spot is actually close. So we need to cut out this spot. We do that by going to create again, line, shortcut key L, then just draw any line here to here. We are told that from year to year is 25. So we'll come to our constraint dimension, shortcut key D, you touch here and touch here, then input your keyboard. You want to use 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter, enter. Then we go back to modify, trim. So we erase this, erase this, erase this. Now you can see we have our hen. I think we are done for now. Yeah, we'll come back to sketch. So you click on exit, finish. Now you can see it has taken us to, can you see what it just did? It's showing us that what we just drew was a plan. I don't have to start rotating here myself. It showed us like, okay, hello, you're done with your plan. So now let's extrude. So we'll go to create, extrude. So we know that, okay, the first height, which is this guy with a circle, he was very, very tall and his height was 80. So we'll come here, 80, enter, right? Can you see our sketch is gone? I'm coming. Our sketch is gone, but remember you click this to expand, then You right click now and click on visibility, toggle on visibility, so you see we can see this. Then come back to create extrude, touch here, and the height of that is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Yeah, so let's source things up by giving it a color, so we start looking corporate. So yeah, for here we have a, what's it called again, sorry, a fillet. Yeah, we have fillet here and we have chamfer at this leg. So let's do the fillet portion. So modify fillet. We have it to be, the fillet is radius 6, so 6, touch, after you put 6, touch here and touch here. It's just gonna do it by itself. Then you click on OK. So for the chamfer, you come again to modify, what's it called again, chamfer. Yeah, the radius for our chamfer is 3. 3. Enter. Okay, so you click in 3. Yeah, that's 3 times 45 degree, not 5. So you touch here, touch here, touch here, and touch here. Yeah, then okay. So let's look at it from front. Let's look at it from top, and let's look at it from the side. Sorry, seated well, seated. Then let's go back to the front. So now what is left for us to do is just the circle, which is here, which is not a normal circle, but yeah, left click, come to click plus, which says create sketch. Right, then I need to zoom in so you can see clearly what I'm doing. Yeah, so sketch, no, create circle. We draw a circle here in which the radius of our circle is 6 mm. 6, enter. Then you come to constrain dimension, so we know that from here to the center of our circle is, what's the height, is 25. So let's do that. 25, 2 and 5, enter. Then from the, am I still having my dimension on? Okay, from the wall to this place of the center of our circle was 30. So we adjust that again to 30, enter. Then you draw another circle again, create circle. Yeah, 6 millimeter in radius. Then the same constraint dimension, center to the top was 25. Yeah, it's copied, it's imitated that already. Then now constraint dimension from center to the wall, which is 30. 30. No, sorry, it's not typing, I didn't highlight that. 30, enter. So it's at the center. So now, okay, so for the circle, you can see it's like a nail. It has a fatter head and a slimmer needle that went through. So we tell them, okay, we're done, finish sketch. Sorry, still zooming, I need to be close. Then you go to modify, hole. Then yeah, this is the circle, it's called counter bore. You click on counter bore, then you edit every detail. Yes, this is 12, this is 5, and this is 6. True. So you click on this, you touch this, then touch this also. Make sure this is 12, 5, and 6, and press OK. So that's it, guys. We are successfully done. Let me save that now. Control S. I'm coming. Let me close the folders. Okay, I'll be saving later. Can't you? Let's just check what we've done. So this is our front, this is our plan, this is our side, and this is bottom. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.